Hello children, welcome again to another class of English language. Today children we are continuing with the revision chapter and we will be discussing question number 24. So what are we going to do in question number 24? We are going to learn how to join sentences using the word while. Now what does while mean? So while actually expresses time. It is used to indicate that something is happening at the same time. When I talk about something happening at the same time, I mean two actions happening at the same time, at the very moment. Okay? So now children, let us have a look as to how we are going to join the sentences using while. The first one is Sita is reading a book. Ram is watching television. That means both the actions that were being done, one was reading a book and the other was watching television, were being done by two people but at the same time. So how do we write our answers? We will begin our answer using the word while Sita is reading. Instead of full stop, we will use the punctuation comma. So while Sita is reading, Ram is watching television. Now, what's the next kind that we can do? We join the sentence beginning with while. But there is another way which you can join your sentence is by writing the first sentence as it is. Sita is reading a book. While Ram is watching television. So the first sentence, what did we do? We began the sentence using while, then we wrote Sita is reading a book, and then we wrote the second sentence. But the other way of joining these sentences is also writing the first sentence as it is. Instead of the full stop over there, you will use the joining word, that is while Ram is watching television. So I hope children you will manage how to do this. Now let us have a look at the next one. She was walking home. It began to rain. That means two actions were happening at the same time. Number one, she was walking home. Second, it began to rain. So we can join the sentences as I have told you. Begin with the word while. She was walking home. Instead of full stop, we write comma. It began to rain. And the second way, write the first sentence as it is. She was walking home. Instead of full stop, we will write the joining word while it began to rain. So children, since you have learned how to join sentences using while, I will now teach you how to join sentences using the word after and before. Now children, what do we mean by after and before? After means baad mein and before means pehle. Now where do we use these words? After is used when we have success of completing one action followed by another action. And before means to complete an action, or it means one event happening after another event. So how do we change our sentences, or how do we join our sentences using after and before. Let us have a look at the example that I have written. I brushed my teeth, then I ate a bun. In some sentences, you may find the word then. Okay? Then means tabhi. Like I did something, uske baad maine kuch kiya. Okay? So what do? We begin our sentence using the word after. After means baad mein. So after I, what is the first action that we did in the sentence? Brushed my teeth. This was the first action that was done. So after I brushed my teeth, okay, then we remove the word then. In some sentences you may find the word then. We remove the word then, add a comma, and then write the remaining part of the sentence. I ate a bun. That means after you completed one action, you did the other action. Now where do we use the word before? Before is also used when to join sentences. But before using the word, we must complete the first action and then write the second action. So, let us have a look. I brushed my teeth. Before I ate a bun. That means before completing the second action, you did the first action. Before doing the second action, you first saw that you did the first action. That means you brushed your teeth before you ate something or before you ate a bun. So I hope you have understood how to use after and before while joining sentences. Now let us learn how to join sentences using the word where. So the next question is question number 28. Join the sentences using where. Where means kahan ya jahan. Now, what does where refer to? Where refers to a place or an action that we are talking about. What is the first sentence? That is the park. So in the first sentence, what are we talking about? We are talking about a park. I play games here. If you take note, the word here expresses or tells us about the place where we play. So where do we play? We play in the park. Now while writing the sentence or joining the sentences, what do we need to do? We need to remove the word that is expressing the park or that is used instead of the park. Now we begin our answer using the first sentence, that is the park. We do not remove any words from the first sentence. So that is the park. Now since you know we are talking about a place, so that is the park where. Okay, so we wrote the joining word, that is where. What do you do there? You play games. Where I play games. Okay, now let's have a look at the next one. That is the flat. Now again we are talking about the flat. And what is done over here? The flat is a place and I live here. So here the word used is expressing where we live. We live in the flat. So while joining the answers, once again we begin using the first sentence, that is the flat. Now instead of the full stop, we will use the joining word where I live. And we remove the word here since we have already talking about the flat. We do not repeat words that have already expressed or spoken about. Now, I hope children you have understood how to join your sentences using after, before, where and while. Thank you.